Question 1. What is the process of water turning into vapor? Answer: A. Evaporation. Question 2. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Answer: A. Earth. Question 3. How many legs does a spider have? Answer: B. 8. Question 4. Which ocean is the largest? Answer: B. Pacific. Question 5. What is a group of lions called? Answer: B. Pride. Question 6. Which gas do humans exhale? Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. Question 7. Where do penguins live? Answer: B. Antarctic. Question 8. What is the hardest natural substance? Answer: B. Diamond. Question 9. Which animal is famous for changing its color? Answer: B. Chameleon. Question 10. What part of the plant makes food? Answer: B. Leaf.